Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find bookmarks on the Nextdoor app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you saved or bookmarked a post. How do you actually go ahead and find it later? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Nextdoor. Next, click on your profile icon in the upper right hand corner. Afterwards, click on your profile icon again, and then click on bookmarks underneath dashboard. And then this is where you're going to find all your bookmarks from previously before. So for example, we have a bookmark here that I just added a minute ago that is now appearing here. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find bookmarks on the Nextdoor app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.